cause trouble.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Shay.
Oh, yeah.
I do believe he was a legal, yes. Your cop? Yes, Chris. Who would that be? Miss Hoover. Yes, they can. Is that really wrong? Is that really wrong? That's wrong. I'm not gonna play with you. No. I know what you mean. Whose fault would that be? Babe. Honey?